So after we set the world record, we got the car on the trailer and drove home. Once I got home, I took the car off the trailer, popped the hood, and was just giving it a once over when I realized it started making a funny noise. Well, I thought a quick oil change might help that. My thought process behind that is that we use ethanol and maybe it is diluted some, and so it was allowing a little bit of chain noise. There was a knock sound, and I'm not sure exactly what it was. After the car did warm up, it seemed to go away, so I don't really know if we heard it or not, but please leave a comment, let me know what your thoughts are. At about the middle of the video, you can hear it running, and you can hear the sound that I'm talking about.